You're not gonna cluck again, huh? You're not gonna crow again? I'm sure everybody's heard you crow enough. Huh. Oh my gosh, between you... look at her running off of there. That's the mutt. She's running off. Here's another mutt right here. Hi. The dog is sleeping. Bruce is taking a nap. Yes, I'm here. Oh, look what's here on the ground. A blue jay panther. Maybe I should buy a lottery ticket. So look at this one. She's got these little things that stick out on the sides of her head. She doesn't like being on camera. She's camera shy. And then that blonde mutt's coming back. Let me get away from the fence because I know it messes with the autofocus. Hello, 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 eh? My name is Lola. Hello, hello, Lola. Oh, she looking like a woman and she talking like a man. That's why I don't have a singing career. Yes. Okay, so that will do it for this afternoon's additional footage. Adios, bye-bye.